and thanks for joining me today. We are on day 13 of isolation, lockdown, whatever we're going through. It is Saturday, so well, Charmin's at home, and Charmin's going to be at home from now on anyway. He's not going to work, so it's going to always seem like the weekend for a while, isn't it? Hope you're all okay. Hope that you're all doing well and coping with everything. Child, and you know, like you have everything you need and that you're all okay. I'm here for you if you need me. We have been busy this week. We've done quite a lot of things. Today I have done the crafty pick and mix challenge, subby challenge one, where I pick one of you your 5 things. So I've done that, and that's going up later on. About an hour after this one will go up. So you'll have to wait and see whose 5 I picked and what I made. So there is a video for that. After I finish chatting to you in a minute, I'm gonna put the photos of I have photos from Judith McPherson, Joanne Sanderson and Christine Mortimer of the projects that they made with their 5 that's 10, can't count, their 5 items. So I'm going to put the photos after I finish yakking to you so that you can see some of the things that they've made, and they are beautiful, honestly, absolutely stunning. You've put my things to shame, to shame. I have been, because Charmin's home now, he's like, right, we're going to sort the conservatory out, right, we're going to do this, right, we're going to do that, and I'm like, I want to strangle you. No, I'm joking. I love him. I love him so much. But yeah, so he's keeping me busy. So all this time I thought I'd have crafting. It's going to be sorting out the house by the looks of it. Not a bad thing. And he has to keep himself busy as well. He doesn't really have too many hobbies really that he can do from the house, if you know what I mean. So it's hard, isn't it? I've spoke to my daughter today and seen the kids via my portal, which she has said to me that she will say hi on the portal probably Monday, so that I can show you it. So Monday I will probably do a video for the portal. So that's it. I will be back tomorrow excuse me, and I may do a live chat at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. I will let you know in the daily update if I'm going to make that live video or not. If some of you want to join me, and you can join me at 3 o'clock my time tomorrow afternoon, leave a comment below so I know how many of you might turn up. You know, I'll then do it and we can have a little chat and say hi, and I can maybe see if I can make you laugh again and do something. So you all enjoyed my Uncle Remus yesterday. Excuse me, I listened to it back and I don't think I even understood what I was saying. Yeah, I was reading it. So how you understood what I said, I do not know. It is a very bizarre book, but it's funny. Right, okay, so I'm going to go. Keep watching because there will be photos of the projects for from the Crafty Pick and Mix, and later on there will be a video for the Crafty Pick and Mix subby picks, if that makes sense. So keep watching. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you're okay, and I will hopefully speak to you all tomorrow. Well, I'll definitely do a video tomorrow to say hi, even if I don't do a live chat. But let me know if you think that you can make it tomorrow for a live chat at 3, and then I'll come on and do it. And don't forget, crafty questions or questions for the questions and answers next week as well. So lots and lots of things doing. Next week I want to be more organized, and I'm going to do my planner and organize my videos so you know what day to expect what and this and that and whatever. That's the plan. Anyway, the plan, get it? So love to you all. Keep watching for those photos, and don't forget to watch the video later if you want to. Take care. Love you loads. Bye. So the first things that we have from the Crafty Pick and Mix is from the lovely Joanne Sanderson, and her things were paper, doilies, clear stamps, paper pad, ribbon and eyelash trim. And the first one was obviously a tag, and then she's made this, I love this envelope, what she's done with the envelope, and you can see that she's stamped on it, and there's doily I think on there as well, and look what she's done on the back. It is just absolutely stunning. I might be having a go at something very similar like that, as I love it, as I do all of your gorgeous yummy projects. You've all done so well. Excuse me, I know you couldn't all send them in, but I do appreciate the photos that have been sent in. And look at this pocket and tag, and just absolutely stunning. They just look really, really beautiful. Love the colours, love the flowers on there. And Joanne, you've done a fantastic job. And then she's shown how the tag goes in the pocket like that, and they just match so beautifully. They really, really, really do put my projects to shame. And the next photos are from the lovely Judith McPherson, and she has used DSP, ink spray, coffee dyed paper and material, and just look, aren't they gorgeous? Just absolutely beautiful. She's done a fantastic job. Used colours that I don't work with dark colours as much, but they look amazing. I really love it. Love the lace on it, and you know, love everything that she's done, and the combination that you've done as well. Just beautiful. And then there's this gorgeous little envelope, which is very pretty, and I love the blue flower in the corner and the butterfly and lace. Absolutely stunning job. And the next photos are from Christine Mortimer, and she had washi tape, excuse me, paper, doily stencil, jewels and coffee filter. Look what she's done with it. It is just fantastic. So that was the front and the back, and she's shown how she's turned it into a pocket as well. Love it. It's very, very inventive. Is that the right word I'm looking for? Beautiful. So thank you to everybody that took part in this week's Crafty Pick and Mix, and I look forward to next week's. So this is the back, and it just shows that there's another pocket there in the back of this coffee filter. So my coffee filters are not like that. So I'm going to have to get my coffee filters out and see what I can do with them, because they've just been sat in a box and we should try and use them. But I have added them into the Crafty Pick and Mix because I'd forgotten. So thanks for watching. Hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.